Hello everyone. In this video we will check out the list and make directory comments. Let's consider we don't really know the name of the directory where we would like to step in. What shall we do? Well, just issue the ls command. This command will list the content of the current directory. Let's try it. We can see a lot of words appearing on the screen. We can use the long list format to check out the directories and files. So use ls-l command. The L is the option for use the long list format. After that, you can see more information about the content of the directory. Take a look at this list. The first column to the first space is the column of file type and permission bits. We will talk about the permissions in another video. After that, in a row, a link count, an owner name, owner group name, file size, last modified date, and the name of file or directory. It's okay, but we still don't know which of these are directories. Well, we have plenty of ways to check that. For this output, we can check the first character of the first column here. For example, here. Okay. If it's a D, then it's a directory, and if it's in the dash, like here, then it's a regular file. Or we can use a simpler way to list only the directories with the ls-d asterisk slash. This command means list the directories from the current directory. Okay. We can check the D character at the beginning of the line if we add the L option next to the D option. So ls-dl asterisk slash. Alright, so far we could see there are a lot of options for this command. So now we should stop for a while. How can we figure out the options for each command? We have to learn a new command for that. Man. Man command is used to display the user's manual for the desired command. So what are the options for ls? Let's issue man ls. Okay, hit enter. Now we can see the user's manual and the options. We can see the name of the command, the synopsis of the command, and the description of the command. For example, look at this, little age or human readable. These options will print the file size or directory size in a human readable format. Or for example, the L option use a long listing format. We can choose an appropriate option for our goals, and that's it. Press Q to exit. Alright, now move on to the next command, the mkdir command. First, change the directory to the test directory, cd test. Okay, mkdir. This command make a new directory. If we type mkdir here, this will create a new directory which name is peer. Okay, if we use this command, this will make the directory in the current working directory. After that, issue the cd command. Okay, now we are in our home directory. We can make a directory to somewhere else than our current working directory. Just use the P option. The option P stands for parents. We can check this out in the manual mkdir. Alright, here. So the P option means make a parent directories if it doesn't exist, or use the existing one. So press Q, okay. So if we are in our home directory, but we would like to make a directory in a test slash peer directory with the name Sherry, just type mkdir dash p test slash peer slash Sherry. Okay, then hit enter. So let's list it. ls test slash peer, hit enter. Alright, we can see it's a directory. Okay, slash peer, but with the option L. Okay, we can see its directory. Alright, so far we can make directories and list them. Next time we will discuss the echo and touch commands. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.